Okay, today we are looking at the South Central Industrial Submarket. As you can see, it runs from Alapata almost to the Golden Glades, right along the I-95 corridor. On the south end, it is on the west side of I-95. On the north end, it is on the east side. In there, we've got 221 industrial properties identified. Over the last 3 months, we currently have 12 active for sale, and we've got 6 that have closed in the last 3 months. On the leasing side, we've got 8 that are actively on the market and 2 that have closed in the last 3 months. As far as leasing is concerned, we're at $19.98 a square foot. We're up a little over 3% from last year. The activity there is that we're seeing that the prices have climbed and we're kind of flat for the next few months. You can see that there's been growth over the last 5 years. So 5 years ago, we were probably just over $14 a square foot, and now we're approaching $20 a square foot. So you can see there's some sticker shock on those long-term leases. And if you were coming in 10 years ago, maybe a 5-year lease with a 5-year renewal, you were probably somewhere about $10 a square foot. So today there's some serious sticker shock, which is kind of that flat line that we're looking at right now. Once that clears up, then the expectation is that leasing rates are going to continue to climb. As far as dollar per square foot on sales, we're at $243 a square foot. That's up over $7 a square foot. Again, that area is pretty hot because it's on that corridor, the I-95 corridor, especially it's the stuff that's on the east side. Again, that is in the wave of all of that new construction that's happening, and a lot of these properties are probably prime for the Live Local Act. So again, good opportunities in that area. As far as the dollar per square foot of the increase, you can see the expectation is we're going to see a lot of activity over this quarter moving forward. And the opportunity is that the prices will continue to tick up, probably from the middle of 25 going forward. And this is a trend that we're seeing along all the other submarkets as well in Miami-Dade County. So if you are thinking of getting into a property for industrial use, now would be the ideal time to get in while prices are holding somewhat fast before they continue that natural climb again. As far as the cap rates, we're at 6%. That's been holding flat for the last year. The expectation is that, along with the other trend, that once we hit about the middle of the year, those cap rates are going to start to drop, which again is an indication that prices are going up. Now, the interesting piece is that it's been holding flat, so that means that while the prices have been going up 7%, that the lease rates have probably been going up commensurately with that for a lot of these properties. So again, now's an opportunity for you to get into a property if you're coming out of a long-term lease. Again, we could go over that analysis with you. As far as the cap rate distribution, it's anywhere from 4 to 9%, the bulk of that being between 6 and 8%. So again, there's some good opportunities out there for the people that are looking for investment properties. As far as sales and what's happening, the people that are actually listing, it's probably less, or equal. There was 9 properties that sold, 11 of them were listed. So most of the people in this area are listing their properties. And again, if you are thinking of listing or selling, reach out to us. We can show you how to get the most money for your property.